Welcome to the replay. Hey guys, looking forward to doing a shadow box with you today. So I got my shadow box here, and let me move this. Oh, I can't. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do a shadow box. You guys were asking about that. So let me go ahead and quickly share this with my group. So this is a shadow box. It's basically a picture frame that is has a thicker, so you can put stuff inside, which is cool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint the glass, and then we are going to heat set it, and then we are going to put some fun stuff inside to make it very festive. Okay, let me share this real quick. Bear with me. If you guys are watching this on the replay, please type replay. If you're watching it live, please say hello. And if you're excited to be here, please post your favorite emoji. I know it's been a while since I have been on here. It's been a lot of crazy stuff going on. It's been crazy. Let's just say that. I'm getting down to the wire with baby girl. So, so things have been getting a little bit more intense. She's a lot bigger now. Yeah, there she is. Big baby. So yeah, I'm like super uncomfortable and things are crazy, but I am just ready. So anyways, okay, so real quick, we're gonna do a shadow box here, and I want to show you that it doesn't take that much time either. So what we're gonna do is I am going to flip this over, and I pulled up all the tabs on here so that I can pull this backing out. So I'm gonna take the backing out, and then it also has a little I don't know what you call this, spacer, I guess. So I'm going to pull this out as well, if I can get it out. And then I want to pull my glass out. So I'm going to take the glass out, lay it down here, and put my frame off to the side. Okay, so here's my glass piece. And I like to make sure that it is very clean. So let me just wipe that off, make sure we're good. All right. Okay, so we are going to do a Christmas Joy to the World. I think you guys have seen me do the Joy to the World before, but this is just a different way of doing it, showing you how versatile this stuff is and the multitude of ways you can use it. Okay, so yeah, so I am going to peel this off, and I'm going to do something what you call fuzzing. So when you are going to put this on glass, it's going to stick very well. So you want to kind of take some of the stickiness away. So I just put it on my shirt or my pair of pants and pull it off. And it gives it, you know, it helps it not, because if you put it straight on the glass, it's going to stick too much. And then when you try to pull the transfer up, it's going to be, you're going to wreck your design and potentially ruin your transfer too. So, okay, so we are going to line this guy up. That looks good. And I like to just make sure it's really, really flat and adhered on the spots that I need. I like to leave the ends curled up because then it's easier for me to peel off. It gives me something to grip on because all I care about is this part, right? So there's that. And then we need the To the World. Same thing here. Move my hair. Please excuse my wet hair. I just took a shower. And my hair is dripping everywhere. Okie doke. Let's go ahead. That looks good. In the meantime, I also need to plug in my heater because it is not plugged in. I'm going to need this. Okay. All right, so there we have it. So I'm going to do these letters in black, and the reason why I decided to do that is because our background, if you remember, is like a white canvas. So I think it'll show up better on here. So we are going to take our black, and I should be wearing an apron because I have an appointment to go to after this, and if I get paint all over myself, that probably won't be good. Okay, so you literally just take the paint and you squeegee it on here, you cover your whole design with the paint, and then you literally squeegee off your excess, so, and put it back into the jar to save paste. Because you really don't need that much, and you don't want it all caked on there because otherwise it'll bleed. I also want to remind you guys that I am doing workshops. If you would like to host a workshop, I can send you all the details to do that, and you as the host will earn free stuff. If you have up to 6 people participating, then you get your entry for free, which comes with your board and your use of the transfer and paint and everything to make your project. So if you're interested in that, please comment below with party. Okay, so we're going to peel this off. You don't want to let it sit there because then it'll dry. And then when you peel your transfer off, it will pull the paint up with it. So you really want to paint and then pull. There we go. And then I just stick these in a water bath. And the reason I do that is because I don't want to have to clean each transfer as I'm working. I rather do it all at the end, so I let everything sit in a water bath until I'm done with my whole project, and then I come back and wipe down the transfers. So they don't need to sit in a water bath, but I do that so that I can come back and do it at the end. Okay, so I am going to do the To the World. Also want to let you guys know that I do have bundles available, and what that means is if you choose a bundle with a transfer, a chalk paint, and a board and base, I will throw in a squeegee and you will get the package at a discount. So if you are interested in that, please type bundle below and I will send you the infos on those. They're really cool. It's a great way to start if you don't know what you want to get first and you just want to try it. Yeah. So, wipe off my fingers here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and peel this guy up. Oops. Also, don't forget, I have a VIP group that I give away stuff in. I have deals. I have all kinds of information for you. So if you want to join the VIP group, please just type VIP below and I will get you added. And I would love to have you. So we got our Joy to the World part complete. Let me show you how good it looks. So if you can see the piece of glass here, let's see if I can hold it up higher. There you go. So you can see that part is complete. So what I am going to do now is I'm going to dry the J and the Y real quick because we want to do the O, and I don't want to put this transfer over that ink and risk it pulling it up. So we want to dry it. Make sure it's fully dry so that it doesn't get pulled up. And this is just a heat gun. You can also use a hair dryer, but look at that. So see, we're all dry. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to get the O. Like I said, I'm gonna fuzz it by putting it, I like to, you could stick it on a towel, but it's easier for me. I just put it on my pants or my shirt or something and then peel it up to fuzz it. Okay, so we are going to put this guy just like this. All right, I dig it. Okay, and we're gonna do this in the green herb color. It's a very Christmassy green. And like I said, a little trick that I have is I like to lay these on here and make sure that the silkscreen part that I need is flat and secure and that the edges are still loose so it's easy for me to peel off. Thirsty. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and apply our green. This one needs to be stirred up a little bit. No big deal. Okay. And this tool is amazing. I didn't think it was going to be as useful as it is. I use it literally all the time because it's great for small details like this one here. Because it's a lot smaller of a surface to rub the paint on. It literally is awesome. I actually bought a bunch of these and I'm actually giving these away as a free gift for anybody who purchases anything. So if you purchase anything or if you sign up as a designer, I'm actually giving these away because this is literally like, I swear by this tool. And if somebody wants to try this product, I want them to get the best experience possible. So I literally believe that this tool will give you that because once I bought this tool, I was literally like, I use it more than anything else. So if you are interested in any product or anything, just type product below and I will get you the information on that. Okay, so there we have that. We're going to go ahead and peel that up and then dry that off. So quiet. And look at that. Beautiful. Okay. All I have to do is rinse my squeegee so that I can use it with a different color. Now I'm going to go ahead and dry the green so that when we put the little red berries on top, we don't pull up the green. So here we go. Okay, that's all it takes, and as you can see, it's dry. So now we're going to go ahead and put these berries on, and I'm going to use Candy Apple Red. It's a very Christmassy red. If you guys want samples also, I do have samples. So I have sample chalk paste in white, red, and green. So let me know, and we will get you hooked up with a sample transfer and a sample paste and a sample squeegee and a sample surface. I have little sample packs. So if you're interested in samples, just type sample below and we will get you that. Or I will get you that. I don't know why I said we. Okay, so